This was generated with AI. And no, I didn't spend hours animating these shots myself. I generated them with Seedance 2.5. But here's the thing, impressive demos are easy to show. The real question is, how much control do you actually get when you try to create something yourself? So today, I'm putting Seedance 2.5 through a real test.
I'm on JXP.com, where Seedance 2.5 is available alongside other AI creation tools. Rather than spending time going through the feature list, I'll walk you through the actual workflow from prompt to generation, covering both reference generation and text to video. Let's start with reference generation. This is useful when you don't want the AI to invent the entire scene from scratch. You can provide visual references, then describe how you want those references turned into a video. I'll begin by uploading my reference image. To do that, click on plus icon. Here is my reference image. I'm uploading it here. My reference image has been uploaded successfully. Once the image is added, I can describe exactly what I want the model to do with it. Now I'm pasting in my video prompt. For this prompt, I'm being very specific about the camera movement, lighting, and overall visual. That matters with AI video, because simply saying, "Make this cinematic," doesn't give the model much direction. The more clearly you describe the shot you want to create, the more control you have over the results. Now that the prompt is pasted, I'll select the model. For this video, I'm choosing Seedance 2.5, resolution 720, aspect ratio 16:9, and video duration 30 seconds. And that's it. No complicated setup. Now I'm clicking on Generate Video, and let's see what Seedance 2.5 creates using my reference image. Here are the results. Let's take a look at what it generated. The first thing I look for with AI video isn't just image quality. I'm checking whether the camera movement makes sense, whether the subject stays consistent, and whether the scene feels like a real shot rather than just a moving AI image. The video generated by Seedance 2.5 looks quite good, but reference generation isn't the only way to use Seedance 2.5. For my second generation, I'm using its text-to-video feature, where I describe the video I want to create. This time, I'm giving it a completely text-based scene. There's no reference image here, just the subject, environment, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. I'm keeping the settings basically the same as before. The model is Seedance 2.5, resolution 720 pixel, aspect ratio 16:9, and video duration is 30 seconds. Now I'm clicking on Generate Video, and let's see what it generates. Here are the results. Let's see what it created. This is where things get interesting. The camera movement is what stands out immediately. Instead of generating a static composition with movement added on top, the shot actually feels designed around the camera. And that's the kind of result that can be genuinely useful in a real video workflow.
So after testing both workflows, here's my takeaway. Reference generation gives you more control when you already have a visual direction in mind. Text to video is more interesting when you want to start from an idea and let the model build the scene for you. And for creators, that difference actually matters. You're not just generating random AI clips. You're choosing how much of the visual direction you want to control yourself.
Once your videos are generated, everything is accessible through your profile. Just click on your profile. From here, you can check your remaining credits, see your previous generations, and access your creations again instead of losing track of what you've made. From here, you can also download your creations by clicking Download. You can also share them by clicking here and then clicking on Share. If you plan to use it regularly, there's also a dedicated pricing section where you can compare the available plans. There is a one-time purchase option as well as a monthly subscription, so you can choose based on how frequently you generate videos. There is also a 7-day refund policy and 24/7 supports. So if you're just experimenting, you don't necessarily have to commit to a large subscription right away.
So, is Seedance 2.5 worth trying? After actually testing it, I'd say the biggest advantage isn't simply that it can generate good-looking videos. It's the amount of control you get over how those videos are created, whether you're starting with a reference or building the entire scene from a prompt. And if you want more real-world tests of AI tools like this, make sure you're subscribed to AIM Lab. I'll see you in the next one.